Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the day in Gainesville, Florida. Nice, overcast, 73, 90% humidity day. We are going to do timing belt, water pump, spark plugs, serpentine belt, serpentine tensioner, and see what else we can get into. Unfortunately, it looks like he's got an aftermarket water pump, which may come with that aftermarket gasket that I truly do not like. He's got a rear exhaust cam, a front exhaust cam seal leak. We're going to replace that. And he had the wheel off and access ready, so we're just trucking along. He's got a serpentine belt tensioner as well. This or not. Got a pilot hole drill. I'm going to put this in there. Pilot hole. Pull that seal out. I think. Dang it. I'm going to fight it out. I'm going to get it out. And I have my tool ready to put a new one in. They used that black gasket on the aftermarket water pump, which has held up probably about 5 years, HEPA. But they used that black gasket, and fortunate for me, most of it came off because it looked like he also used gasket maker to get it on there. So I'm trying to get that last little bit of gasket off right there, so that I can start scraping it up with my wire brush, get the water pump on, and wrap this. I think I got this cleaned up. When you run your finger across it, smooth as a baby's bottom. You're not going to get discoloring off. You want to get the gasket off.
I looked closely and I saw.
Learned something new today. Tom showed me. Of course, the wires. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, on the back of this bracket, when you buy the wires, they're in the bracket. If you look down there, 3, 4, 5, 1, and 2. Then here you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Man, this is easy to put together if you just follow the instructions. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.